Learn how to configure a valve terminal unit using the VTUX configurator. Configure VTUX valve terminal in Festo website. The configuration scope and specifications are defined across the basic configuration, position, extras, and accessories pages. You can move between these sections using the navigation menu or by selecting the corresponding tabs directly. The Messages section highlights mandatory selections and guides you to the relevant areas in the configurator. It also displays general information and any error messages. Info buttons allow certain options to be expanded to show additional information or visualizations. AI-based explanations are also available. On the basic configuration page, you can select the components required for your assembly. If you are configuring a VTUX with a CPX APA terminal, make sure to specify the necessary CPX module position settings. After selecting all required and preferred parameters, click Position to continue with the configuration. On the Position page, each position can be configured individually by expanding it and selecting the preferred option, such as a valve, pneumatic supply, or another available function. New positions can be added by clicking the plus icon. Additional options can be configured directly within the position view. The current selection is visualized in the clickable 2D graphic. By clicking an option in the graphic, it is selected directly and can be modified if needed. The 2D view can be enlarged or reduced by dragging the arrow icon below. For greater flexibility, it can also be opened in a separate view and resized as required. The Extras tab allows you to select accessories that are typically integrated into the ordered variant. The Accessories tab contains separate add-on items that can be ordered independently, while also being suggested based on the current configuration. Items can be filtered by category or found using the search function. Once you have selected the required quantity, you can add them directly to your basket without leaving the configurator. The Overview section provides a summary of your selected configuration, including the corresponding bill of materials. An active Add to Cart button indicates that the configuration is valid and complete. At this stage, the Resources and CAD View sections, as well as the Price and Delivery Time buttons, become available. In the Resources section, you can download technical data, CAD files, and other relevant technical documentation. The Collapse function creates additional workspace while keeping the status box accessible when needed.